Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving Snapchat permission to use your location. Go to Device Settings and enable Location, preferably Precise Location, so the app can read your GPS. Once done, open Snapchat's camera and confirm Snap Map is active and Ghost Mode is off. Otherwise, location options are limited. Now capture a photo or video. You must have a snap ready because the location sticker attaches to a specific snap. This gets the app ready to fetch and display your current place. After you take the snap, tap the sticker icon and pick location from the tray. Snapchat usually offers your current location first. Select it to place the location sticker, then drag, pinch, or rotate to position it where you want. If the automatic match isn't right, tap Search in the sticker menu or switch to Snap Map to choose a different pin or drop a custom location manually. While you edit placement, make sure the label and timestamp read correctly so viewers see accurate context. Finish by selecting Send to or My Story to share the snap with the location sticker attached. Confirm recipients' privacy settings allow them to view stories. If the sticker doesn't appear or shows the wrong place, stop and check permissions. Toggle location off/on in settings, update Snapchat from the App Store, or restart your phone to refresh GPS. If problems persist, clear Snapchat's cache from settings to remove stale data. That usually forces the app to fetch your current GPS position again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.